Alright, so this is going to be a repaste with a Windows reinstall. Computer's running super duper hot. So we're going to see how much dust is actually in this. Yeah, and you're not going to be doing the warranty stuff through Newegg. You're going to be doing it through whoever made the computer. Alright, Emily. How are you doing, Josepher? Well, I'm assuming it's a pre-built with the way he's talking there, Tech. Alright, so we have an Acer Nitro 5 AN517-51-56YW. Oh, you built it yourself? Yeah, so the individual parts have their own warranties. Like your video card has a 1-year warranty, guaranteed. And depending on who the actual video card is through, like if it was an EVGA card, for instance, they have like a 7-year video card warranty. A lot of GPU manufacturers nowadays have at least a 4-year video card manufacturer warranty. I know they're RIP. Well, unfortunately, they still had some good products. They still did. Alright, so on the bottom of this, to get this apart, we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 screws. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yep. Let me get all those out, and then we'll get this apart. Yep. Well, I mean, the thing is, like, on certain EVGA products, they still, like, I have an EVGA 3090, and the warranty on that is still valid for another, like, 3 years. Yeah, all these manufacturers will generally stand behind their product pretty well because they don't want even a little bit. It doesn't matter. All the part numbers are printed on the card. Who's the manufacturer? Let's start with that. So basically, this is what you're looking at here. Let's turn on my microscope. So as you can see, this is a 2070, and there's all the information you need. There's a serial number. This is a dead card, so like I have no problem showing this because they won't warranty this. But that's all the information you need. You go to the manufacturer's website, you enter that into the warranty or an RMA section, tell them the problem you're having, and then say, hey, I need to get this fixed. See what they do. Alright, after we have that done, there's a nice little, like there's 2 little spots here you can actually kind of grab under, you can lift. You will have to acquire a box to send it back in, that's the only thing. And pack it very well. Very, very well. We lift, around. Alright, so first off, we do have an NVMe in here, as per, should have probably just read this. Doesn't read, but it passed. Like, I can't get any data off of it, so that means it's like a super cheap model. But we can see one of the reasons that this guy is so hot. Let's see, it's quite dusty there. We're going to pull that off. We're going to pull this whole thing off. We're going to repaste it. We're going to pull this dead roach out of here. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you like these videos, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. It really, really helps the channel. All right, fun things on here. There's a bunch of roach legs. You need to figure out what the brand is. So like this is an MSI. So somewhere on there it'll say the brand. ASRock. Oh yeah, so you need to get in touch with ASRock. Ooh, that's gonna suck. You're gonna be without a video card for 6 to 8 weeks. But bright side is you will get a replacement card. Yeah, ASRock makes just about everything. Alright, so we're going to remove this whole thing. We're going to make sure you do this in order. There's different screws here. We have 1. We have 2. I'm going to grab this. There's 3. There's 4. 5. 6. 7. Yeah, you're gonna, it's a pain, but if you want to get your stuff fixed for free, then that's what you do. All right, so now we need to get these connectors off. Which, while we're doing this, I always forget, disconnect your battery first. And then we gently are going to lift this entirely off here. And we're going to take this, we're going to blow this out entirely, and then we're going to reapply thermal paste to that and that. We're going to clean that off, and then we're going to make sure that when we go to put this back down, this gets smushed in there as much as possible, because this is their thermal, it's not paste. They have some weird term they call that. So let me go get this blown out real quick, and then we'll come back. All right. One of the most important things with this that I always remind people is when you are handling this, you do not, under any circumstances, want to bend this. Because what will happen is the second you put even a minor bend in it, you're going to make contact with the component on the board, you're going to create a short, and then you're going to have a real bad time. This isn't the most dried thermal compound I've ever seen, which is good. There's our GPU, there's our CPU. Nice and clean. Yeah, you did. That's why I unplugged the battery. I've gotten into that habit. Alright, there's a nice little bead on there. Some nice fresh stuff. Nice little bead on there. Cap it back up. Yeah, you were telling me about that. Right. Get these plugged back in. That's back in. This is back in. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, hit it a little bit more, get in there. Alright, so we have different screws here, and we have to be aware of that. 2 longer ones are for this, right there, and right here. And then all of our short little boys go in here, and we follow the same order. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. This one's 5, 6, 7. Now we plug our battery back in. Bottom of our case back on. And same deal, screws back in. Start here for some reason. Start at 6 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, let's get Windows reinstalled on this now. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.